How old am I?
Yeah.
I'm 24.
You're 26.
No, I'm 24 years old. I'm 24. 2-4.
24.
24. Hola muchachos! Hola muchachos!
I don't want to answer.
Welcome here back to my channel. Today we have Ivy. Ivy is our guest of honor. For today's video, Ivy is gonna have a little bit of an interview, a little bit of a haircut. Look at this hair. We need. Where are you going? Come back up. I understand. I know you're nervous. I've cut many children's hair before. If you did not know, I do have my certification in cosmetology, and I have cut many children's hair before when I worked in a hair salon.
A hairdo.
Yeah, we're gonna do a hairdo.
Hey!
So this is Ivy. This is my oldest daughter, my oldest child,
My oldest daughter.
and my oldest daughter.
And
We are...
Calvin.
Oh, excuse me. We are going to be giving Ivy bangs. A long time ago, Ivy had, hold on a second, Ivy. A long time ago, Ivy had front bangs, and they were so cute. And she asked me about them again, and I was like, yes, you may have front bangs. So we're gonna do that, as well as just give her a bit of a trim. We're gonna have some chats with Ivy, and I hope you guys like today's video.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. It's down below. Everybody knows where that subscribe button is. I'm too loud. Sorry. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Thank you for being here. I'm just gonna pin your hair up. This is called a cape. This is what I put on top, so I get no hair on your cute little clothes. So what Ivy has really been asking for is actually a bob. Ivy would like a bob. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I may just trim up her hair a little bit because the ends are a little... I know you want to do a bob so bad, but I feel like that's a lot of hair, Ivy.
I want to do a bob right now.
A bob right now? I don't know.
Yes.
I know you want it so bad, but I don't know why I'm nervous. Now I'm nervous. I am not going to wet Ivy's hair. Also because I don't know where my spray bottle is. What is your name?
IVY.
IVY. That's how you spell your name. Great job.
My hair's in my face.
I know. It won't be for this entire time. Just give it a little bit. How old are you?
24.
You are not 24. Ivy, what is your real age? How old are you?
I'm 3.
You're 3?
Yeah.
Wow, you're a big girl. Ivy, I just have, no. I know you don't like it, but I gotta keep it forward so I can see where I am actually cutting your bangs. Oh, that looks great, Ivy. Okay, here we go.
Now what?
Whoa, look how long your bangs have gotten. Don't worry, I'm gonna trim all of them, Ivy, but you just gotta wait a second. So,
Cut it up.
I love how willing you are. I used to have kids in my chair and they'd be so sad, and I was like, don't worry, it's gonna be just fine. Remember my scissors?
Mm-hmm.
These are Mama's special scissors, right? Aren't you a pretty girl?
I think I'm pretty good.
Yes, you are. Are you kidding? Ready? Look at them. They're so cute. You try and get the hair off your cape?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Okay, so let's see how these are very cute, Ivy. She keeps brushing them off her face. I think she forgot what bangs feel like. You want that off?
Yeah.
We're gonna trim the rest of your hair and we're gonna ask you some questions, okay? What do you like doing with Elizabeth?
Playing.
Playing what?
Playing eye.
Playing with your eyes?
Yeah.
That's weird. What's your favorite thing to do with Calvin?
Eating leaves.
Eating leaves?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. What is your favorite food?
Ice cream.
What is your favorite Bible story?
Simon.
What's your favorite thing to wear?
My dress right now.
Your dress?
Mhm.
What is your favorite thing to eat when we go out?
Juice.
Juice?
Yeah.
You're easy to please. What's your favorite thing to do?
Play outside.
Oh, I love playing outside. When you're scared, what do you do?
Oh God.
You pray to God? Way to go. Do you want to have another brother? No? Do you want to have another sister? Are we all done with babies? All done, okay. Well, you'll be surprised. If you could be an animal, what animal would you be?
A bunny.
A bunny? Oh. What about Calvin? What do you think Calvin would be?
He would be a seal.
And what about What about Elizabeth?
I think he will be a lemur.
A lemur? That's a good one too. What's your favorite food that I make for you?
Bananas.
Bananas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Banana.
What is your favorite book to read?
Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh right now? The old Winnie the Pooh? Yeah, so good. You want to see some of your curls? Whoa, I'm almost done. If you could have a different name, what would your name be?
B.
It would be B?
Yeah.
Ah, that's pretty easy to remember.
What is your favorite rose?
My favorite rose? That would be a red rose.
My favorite rose is the little one.
A yellow rose?
Yeah.
That's really pretty. What's your favorite song?
You know what it is.
Say you never leave me, bum, 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 leave me. Here, I'm gonna go get a hair elastic. I'll be right back, okay?
But Mama,
Yes, Ivy?
it's too hard doing it.
Well, just a sec. Let me go grab a hair elastic. I got our hair elastic. So, Ivy, I didn't cut your hair into a bob just yet, but we gave you a nice little trim, one change at a time. What is your favoriteest thing about yourself? What do you like about yourself?
I don't know.
Do you know what I like about you? Can I tell you?
Yes.
Okay. My favorite thing about you, Ivy, is how kind you are. You are so kind to Mama and Papa. Do you like your hair? Yeah, Ivy wants to show. Ooh, cute. What do you think? You keep parting it. Ponytail. I got a what?
You got a ponytail.
I got a Thank you guys very much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just kind of like a random thing that I put together. I was like, hey, let's cut Ivy's hair. And she's gonna be pushing it back a lot, but it's all cute. Let me know down below, do you cut your own kids' hair or do you send them somewhere to get it cut? Either way, totally understandable. I think Ivy likes the holes in my pants.
Yes.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you all in our next video. Bye.
Bye-bye.